So guys, what we're doing with the tiny little engine that couldn't live, we're putting it back together. I'm gonna give it to my friend, I think. Because he knows how to do the stuff. What we're doing right now is just putting all the screws back together. I know you guys can barely see it, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I hate G100s. And there's two bolts holding the... Alright, and then one goes in right back here. I gotta line this up. What one was it? Was it this big one? I gotta remember I put all these bolts, because I just put them wherever, so whatever way the wind blows doesn't really matter. No. You know what? That's the next thing we're working on today, guys, it looks like. Maybe it was this big one. No, because there's two of those big ones. Two of those small ones. Huh. Oh, snap. Oh. I don't think there should be a hole in my valve cover. Right back there. Okay. That's not good. Alright, why is this not on return spring? What happened to that? This is on return spring. Let's get that put back on. Yeah, the governor system went kaput. So I'm just like, well, shit. Yeah, that's the only problem. I forgot what way this went. I don't know what way this went. But look, guys, the carburetor's not on. I took that off too. Shit. Yeah, we need to do this start. Baja. I broke one of these bolts. Not too long ago. And, it's quite the stupidest reason a bolt could break, probably in the history of bolts breaking. I mean, like, how do you break a bolt trying to start a motor? Okay, do I really need the freaking wrench for that? I think I do it over there. So far. I gotta get the air cleaner and the gaskets as well. Let's go on a mission. So what do I have over here that I left over here because I didn't want to pick it back up? Bolt. Screw and gasket. Anything else? Oh yeah, the ruined air cleaner. Actually, I don't think the air cleaner's that bad. compound that was over there. I gotta take my gloves off to do this. What? I'm gonna put the gasket on. Oh, that's why the hole's in the airbox. I'll put this on the Craigslist thing for if anybody needs parts to it. It's perfectly fine. It's just the governor system itself does not work. Which sucks. Because that's like something I don't know how to do. To replace an internal governor. But somebody else probably does. They're probably getting like a $200 motor for like $10. Because all I want for this whole thing is $45. That's all I want. It even has a clutch. Look at that, guys. Clutch. You get a clutch included. Just tightening these on. Shit. Okay. Next thing I'm gonna do is put this freaking pole starter back on. Why won't you just stay off? There. Yeah. Just put this in. What time am I at? I'm at 8 minutes. Wow. Pretty darn good. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what the limit is. All I know is it gets longer. However long your video is how much longer the upload is. It's like 100,000 more minutes. Okay. So now, where's the other one I do? Right down there. Because it broke. You probably didn't know that I broke it. Shh, don't tell anybody. What way's left? That way's left, so yeah. There's that. Next, I need a screwdriver for it. And there's one. Hey. it going here somewhere. One went up top there, but I'm not gonna worry about it. One goes down here. So I will worry about. Uh-oh. That's no bueno. That's how you know you got a bad seal. When you got leaking oil. Or gas. Which I don't know where it was coming from. Because there's no gas in here. Oh well. It's a rag. Oh my god, how long does this bolt go for? 20 years? Okay, there's that. Now... That's it, guys. Quick and easy. Quick and easy motor put together. Let's get rid of it now. Oh, gas gone. Yeah, I wonder if it still runs. Probably doubt it. I think it's kaput. Oh well. At least it's put back together. It's a little baby. But take a step over here and take a look at that. A doodle thug. Yep. There it is, guys.